Hi guys, I'm Jess. We're back here at Drivers HQ. Tonight we're hosting Ford Night and we're going to be playing a little guessing game. Hi, what's your name?
My name's Rich.
I'm Jake Sanders, how are you?
Jimmy.
Jimmy, hi.
Caelan.
Biddy.
Paul. Callum.
Hi, my name's Jacob.
Jake.
Ryan.
Jamie.
Aid.
My name's Ethan.
Ethan, hi. So today I'm going to be testing your Ford knowledge, okay? I've got to guess the Ford based on the little close-up photo that we've got.
Okay.
Let's go, we've got 5 photos.
I would say a Fiesta Mark 8.
The Ford based upon that? RS.
Trying to see the grill actually. Is that a Cougar or something, is it?
That's what.
That looks like an RS. Mark II Focus. I'm gonna go with.
I want to say a Mark Ford Focus.
Is that Focus RS?
Looks like a Mark 8.
Mark 2 RS.
Number 1, let's go.
Mustang.
Yes.
Is that a Mustang?
Mustang?
It's a Mustang. Amazing.
That shape.
Well
Yes.
done. We've got 4 to go.
Fiesta.
Mondeo?
Oh,
Cosworth.
I've not got a clue on that at all, which is really embarrassing, really.
Is that a Fiesta ST?
No idea what that is.
no.
No.
Not even got a clue. No.
That's similar to the one we've just seen, isn't it? Is that a Mark 1 RS?
Focus RS.
That's definitely a Mark 1 Focus RS.
Mark I Focus RS.
You've got to get this one. Everybody gets this one.
Dove? I have no idea.
I would say Mark 6 Escort.
Mark II Transit.
That looks like a Connect.
Mark 5 Escort by the look of the headlights.
That looks like that's an old Fiesta. That is.
Fiesta
Which
Mark 4.
Yes.
Mark IV Fiesta? That's got to be a Fiesta.
Which Mark?
6.
It was a Mark 4. Number 3.
Fiesta.
Which year? Which Mark?
Mark 5. 4.
4. Yes.
I'm going to say Escort. Is that one of them P100 pickup truck things?
I've not got a clue.
Easy peasy.
That's got to be an Escort, surely. That's a tranny van.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Next one.
That's a transit van.
That's an old Transit. That's more my age.
Is that the Mark II Transit?
That's the Mark II Transit. Go.
Transit.
Which year? Which model?
Mark 2.
Mark 2.
Mark 2 Transit. Oh,
Transit.
Mark II Transit.
Yes.
That's a Transit Mark 1. Mark 2.
Mark 2. Yes. Oh. Okay, next. Definitely get this one. Even based on that colour.
Escort. No.
Not quite.
Is that a Focus Mark 2?
And this one's easy peasy.
I wish it was, I really do.
No?
No, not got a clue.
Mark II Focus ST.
Any guesses at all?
Some sort of Fiesta.
Easy peasy, last one.
That's a Focus.
Focus Z-Tech Mark 1.
That's right. Yes, you got him. Fab. Lovely.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Mark 1 Focus, standard.
That's right.
Focus.
Easy. Mark 1.
Very easy.
Brilliant. You did well. Thank you, Paul.
Cheers.
Thanks.
That's a Focus, isn't it? Yeah.
Mark 1.
Mark 1 Focus,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one with the dashboard problems, yeah.
He knows from experience.
Yeah, well, from people I know, yeah. Dashboard, fuses in the dashboard goes, that's the car knackered, yeah.
Lovely. Thank you. Thanks so much.
No
Thanks
worries.
for joining in.
Focus Mark 1.
Yes, smashed it. Yes, well done.
Mark 1 Focus Z-Tech.
Brilliant. All 5. Yes, well done. Amazing. Thank you. Thanks for joining us. I've been your host, Jess. Join us next time where I might be testing your knowledge again.